Hello everyone, and welcome to another episode of Spiritus, where we discuss the latest trends and technologies in the world of computer security. Today, we're going to talk about FTP search engines. File transfer protocol search engines are used to search for files located on the FTP servers. These may hold valuable information about the target organization. Many industries, institutions, companies and universities use FTP server to keep large file archives and other software that are shared among their employees. FTP search engines provide information about critical files and directories, including valuable information, such as business strategies, tax documents, employees' personal records, financial records, licensed software, and other confidential information. Here we will use the Napalm Index or FTP search engine to extract critical FTP information about the target organization. Launch any browser. In this video, we are using Google Chrome. In the address bar of the browser, enter search ftps.net and press enter. Napalm FTP Indexer website appears. In the search bar, type Apple and click Search. We will get the search results with the details of the FTP in the target organization. This concludes gathering information using the FTP search engine. You can also use FTP search engines such as Global FTP Search Engine or Freeware Web FTP File Search to gather crucial FTP information about the target organization. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos on computer security and technology. See you next time.